Christina Irvine. Today we're going to talk about new home clean and how this impacts the sale price of your home. You may be an incredibly clean person. Your house may be meticulous and spotless, and I may even be willing to eat off your floor. However, it does not mean that it is new home clean. I always recommend a professional cleaner for this. You're welcome to do it yourself for sure. However, you don't have to hire a professional cleaner, but certainly it's going to make sure that your home sparkles, presents well for photos, and presents well for showing. It's also going to give the appearance of making your home look even more well-maintained than it might already be. A professional cleaner is going to think about things that you haven't already thought about. Not all professional cleaners are going to do exteriors of windows, interiors of windows, appliances, or shampoo carpets, and those are things that you 100% want to consider when preparing your home for market. The more like a new home that your home looks, the more like a new home your home is going to feel to that buyer. And the more forgiving that buyer is going to be on any imperfections that the home does have, such as maybe some updates that need to be made. Make sure to check this out on my Preparing Your Home for Market digital download checklist. For these ideas and more on making sure that your home presents the best it can when hitting the market. And as always, make sure to check out our next video on new home landscaping.